Hey folks, thanks for joining us. Today we're going to be aerating this property. It's in pretty desperate need, it's packed down and it's tight. So we're going to show you a couple different ways that it can be done, either manually or with some power equipment. So come along, let's get aerating. So aerating your lawn is all about removing some pockets of soil to allow nutrients and water to get down into the roots. The ideal way to do that is with a power aerator such as this one, which basically these tines punch holes in the lawn, removes the core sample, leaves it on the lawn to break down, and then opens it up so it can get some air and get some nutrients. So before we get this aerator fired up and do this property, it's a pretty decent sized property, so a powered aerator is the only thing that you're going to be able to use for here. But if you have just a small property, there are other options. There's aerators that you can use just by stepping on like you would a shovel. It'll do the same thing, it'll remove a core plug. As well, there's also sandals that you can get to strap to your feet that have spikes. So you can just walk around your lawn and it will open it up and allow the same thing to happen. It doesn't remove the core to give you the large hole, but it gives you some small openings and break up the hard soil so you can get your fertilizer to get down in there, and air and water and nutrients. Now that we've shown you the manual stuff, let's get back to the power equipment. So let's get her started up and we'll aerate this lawn. So you can see just how easy it is to aerate your lawn, especially with a power machine like this. It actually is kind of fun, to be honest with you. But run it over your lawn, make as many trips as you need to get the full area covered. It's going to poke its holes. Now your moisture, your air, your nutrients are going to be able to get down to the roots of your lawn, and you'll have a really nice, full, thick, lush lawn. So now that you see how easy it is to aerate your lawn, you can go ahead and do yours, because you got this.